everybody.
Hello.
Welcome to our channel, Southern Belles. My name's Wanda.
And I'm Rebecca.
And we are here today with another Stitch Fix.
Really soon after mine. We got them just within less than a week from each other.
Right, we just posted her video probably at the end of last week sometime.
Right.
If I had known it was going to come this soon, we would have waited and have done it together. But in this particular fix, I asked for cozy, comfortable, lounge type clothes.
That's what you need these days.
I was going to say, let's face it, that's what we're doing. We're lounging a lot more than usual. If you don't know, Stitch Fix is a clothing styling subscription service. Where you go in and you fill out a profile, and then you have a stylist who will choose 5 items to send you. They could be clothing, shoes, accessories, all kinds of things. I've gotten a little bit of everything: jewelry, scarves, jackets even, and it's just really a very fun service to use. In fact, I will leave my link down below if you'd like to give Stitch Fix a try. If you go in using my link, or really anybody's link for that matter, then you will get $25 towards a Stitch Fix purchase, which is a really good deal.
Oh, excuse me. It's been a long, tiring day.
Videoing makes her sleepy, I think.
It does.
Plus, it's a rainy, kind of gloomy day right now.
Yeah.
In fact, we're expecting some pretty severe storms here in a little while.
Yeah,
But what we're going to do today, I did fail to mention that if there's anything that you don't want, that you can put it back in a mailer that's provided for you and ship it back free of charge.
You're not obligated.
Right, and there is a $20 styling fee, and that styling fee will go towards anything that you purchase from your fix. If you purchase all 5 items, you get a 25% discount.
That's right.
So, I'm not going to really unbox it here for you. I'm just going to go straight to the try-on.
Sounds good to me.
And if you would like to, we would love to have you subscribe to our channel, Southern Belles, where we do all kinds of unboxings. And give us a thumbs up. Those thumbs up are really encouraging when you see them. So, okay, to the try-on.
Let's get to it.
We're going to call this the video that just didn't want to happen. We've had a lot of problems with the filming of this particular one, but we're going to try it again. I think this is the 3rd time?
3rd or 4th even.
And this is several days later from when I received the Stitch Fix. But I do have on 4 of the 5 pieces. And we're going to start off with this cardigan, which I said I wasn't going to get any more cardigans.
But she might like this one a little too much. So this cardigan is the Love Ellie Elisa Open Cardigan, and it is $40.
So it has this little split in the side. It does have the pockets. It is super soft, and I really, really love this coral type color. And I like the length of it. It's just right up above the knee.
It's a nice bright pop for springtime.
Yeah, it kind of gives some of the duller colors a little bit of something, a little bit of spring. I don't know about where you are, but around here, spring is being very fickle.
It is. It gets cold some days. I think tomorrow it's supposed to be in the 30s.
That's right, it is. It's kind of crazy. But anyway, that's the cardigan, and I'm going to take it off, and we'll look at the next piece.
This next piece is the Pink Clover Daisy Button Back Detail Knit Top for $34. So this one's a pretty good price.
Yeah, it is a good price. It has the curved hemline, and again, super, super soft. And the fun part is when I turn around, and you got this whole little button detail down the whole length of the shirt, of the top. So I thought that was fun.
I love the back detail on this shirt.
Yeah, Nicole really hit it out of the ballpark because I asked her for comfortable, cozy clothes, and that's exactly what she delivered.
She did.
I really like it because it's looking like it may be a 5 for 5. Okay, and then the next piece are these joggers. I think they are called joggers.
They are. These are the T4T Rama Lee Step Hem Joggers for $44. That's a pretty good price for pants in a Stitch Fix.
And they're soft, not as soft as the other pieces. It's a knit, of course, and it's very textured, so you do feel that texture in it. It has the drawstring, so for these days of quarantine, if I eat more than I should, which I have been doing, I can tighten them up or loosen them up, whichever I need. There are the side pockets, and you also have one back pocket back here, and they are kind of high-waisted. And I know you can't see the hem right now, but we're going to give you a closer look at the shoes, and you'll be able to see that step hem then. So yeah, I really like everything.
It's a great fit.
I'm going to give you a closer look of the shoes. These are Keds, and they're just a slip-on. Very comfortable shoes. I confess I have already claimed these, and I have walked with them when we walk the dog. This is what I wear a lot of the times. And I love this light gray color because it really does go with a lot of different things. And you also get a better look of the step hem in this shot, I think. But yeah, I'm pretty sure the Keds are mine. Well, I know the Keds are mine.
Yes.
Anyway, I have one more piece to show you. I'll be right back. And I asked Nicole, and it is Nicole, I asked her for a fix that was full of comfortable, lounging type clothes, but yet still looked put together. And I will have to say, I love this top. Now, I'll look back at the footage. On her. I'll look back at the footage, thank you.
You're welcome.
And see what it looks like there. But I also have a pink denim jacket that's pretty much this color that I tried on with it, and it worked too. So
perfect for taking walks around the block and different things like that.
Excellent for that. It's just so comfortable, so soft and cozy.
I love it.
Okay. Now, I think both of my shirts are pink clover, but which one is this?
I'm guessing that this one is the Kinley button shoulder knit top in pink, and it's a size medium, and it retails at $34.
$34.
That's great.
I'm excited for that. And here's the little button detail. We're trying out a new camera to see if we can help our lighting. So
a little bit, yeah.
It doesn't have the viewfinder that the other one has, so I'm not sure what you can see or not. But yes, I really love this. I love the length.
It's cute.
Yeah. Give me your opinion. I'm going to try to stick up a poll up here in the box, and you tell me, is this a 5 for 5, yes or no? And I'm going to go on your vote, so I hope everybody will vote if you've made it this far with us.
That's
and
right.
everything.
Give us your input.
That's right. Okay, well, this just made my day a little bit brighter.
That's right. We needed it today.
It's kind of dreary today. It's one of those days where it just kind of all, you know,
it's yucky.
When we can get outside and walk, that's one thing. It helps a lot.
It does.
But when it's raining and all and you can't, it's kind of
it's hard.
But well, we hope you guys are doing well out there. We hope you are making it through and finding some sort of sunshine in your day.
Yes, we do.
And hopefully, we're in this together, but hopefully it will all be over soon. That's what we're praying for anyway.
Yes.
As I said, we're the Southern Bells. If you haven't subscribed to us, we would love for you to. And for those of you who faithfully return to watch and comment on our videos, we are so grateful for you. There's so many names that come to my mind that just I don't know. I feel like we're friends, even though
we've never met.
Nancy and Kayla and Robin and Tiffany and all of you. I know that's not everybody by any means, but we hope you're doing well. Stay safe, take care, and we'll see you in a few days.
Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Did I ramble too much?
No, that's perfect.
I like everything. I always want to not like anything.